annihilation, as most of you would be aware of. Got a problem here. Oh, never mind, wrong side. Okay. One minute, 39 seconds. My magic number. Okay. So we got this big funky thing going on there, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm going to hit next to it though. While abrading towards my eyes, I'm going to get really close to the slab and I'm going to brush towards my face. Just kidding. Do never do that. Be really careful when you're abrading because it's easy to get them in your eyes. Okay. That was alright. So we have a set that we've now finished. There we go. On this face. And we'll eventually take another pass off of this face. But what I'm going to do now is flip it over. I'm going to take a pass off of this face. This face was already skinned when I got this, or zippered when I got this slab. So hopefully it goes a little better here. There we go. They're leather. It's leather is important, at least I think so. I don't know, but I think it's important because I'm normally a freehand kind of guy. There we go. One more groundage. This is a little high to hit, so I'm going to pass it up right now. I'm going to move right over to here. Didn't grind that enough. There we go. We almost got the saw marks off right there. It's neat. It's not going to be as hard as it is on the small slabs of uncooked raw rock that I'm used to working. Even the cooked hard slabs are tricky. And I haven't really been doing the best job of cleaning up after myself on the slab, so probably have to go back around and do some finish work. Alright. Oh, baby, that was bad. Whew. That would have been a nice hit, but I didn't grind it enough, and I struck too hard inward, so what I'm going to have to do now is clean that up. And get rid of that junk, which we did. Turning the edge a little. If I ever get another slab this big, I'm going to work at abo. But right now I just feel like copper I'm a little more, I'm a little better with. Oh baby, that's hanging way off of there. Okay, that worked out okay. I really don't want to hit on the end like this, but I see no other way out. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, since I'm going to hit on the end, is I'm propping this leather up. And I just really don't want to end snap this thing yet. I'd like to get it to a point where I'm a little more heartbroken, or at least I ruin it so I'm not heartbroken and then I end snap it. I'm not sure. This is definitely a big slab though. Again, be careful about my support here. And this would be kind of the same drill with antler and hammerstones. hitting into my nice soft cotton sweatpants right above my femoral artery. It's also not recommended. Okay, so this is our first pass on this face. We're just trying to establish some convexity here. We did in fact get rid of the saw marks right there. But anyways, I'm going to hit the next face. I'm not too worried about these saw marks right now. This piece is going to come way in, and there's no huge steps or even anything resembling a step other than right here, I guess. It's a small baby one, but there's ways into it and out of it. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to try and get some convexity going. My main thing right now is just getting convexity going, because this piece is going to come way in. I don't plan on just making a huge biface. I plan on finishing this out. I'm going to do 100% percussion on it, unless it gets really narrow, and then I'll do pressure, but I'm going to do percussion pretty much the whole way. I've never done indirect on Baysite before, so I might experiment on some of my other pieces just to see how it feels, how it works. And then see, if that might be something I want to try. Still have a little bit of stuff I wanted to clean up on the other face here. Okay, looking good. Can't help but feel like this bopper might be a little big for the job right now, but slab feels kind of big, so I'm rolling with it. Right now I'm just getting my platforms all dialed in. I do have one more back here I should hit on this face. I think I passed that one up because it was by the base or something, but that's a nice one. This is probably something that's going to be a project for me. I don't think I'm going to be finishing this in one go. In fact, I'm definitely not, because it's nighttime. Maybe I'll make a shot at finishing it tomorrow, but I run out of storage on my phone, so then all of a sudden I'm trying to upload videos and get enough storage to shoot another video, and a lot of the times I just end up finishing stuff while the shit's uploading. Excuse me. Always wear eye protection. I don't, but you should. Because I just hit myself in the face with shards. Lots of them. I'm wondering if I should come on in with some of this, since as far as the shape goes, I'm not sure if I'll even be using any of this stuff at the very tippy top. I'd like to make it as long as possible, but right now I would have to bring this thing way in, and I'm going to obviously lose like almost an inch off the tip anyways, just to get the shape right, but I guess I'll get there when I get there. Okay, here we go. Starting back here. This side is a little lower than the other, so I'm just curious to see what'll happen. So far, so good. Ooh, that crumbled on me. That went. That one went. Guess you really gotta grind these things. Even when I'm not hitting them, they feel like they get weaker. This is a cool illustration of the Hertzian cone and the way that the force actually dissipates within on the face of the rock. I just taught a class on one of my students who's probably going to watch this, loved working slabs. So this will be fun for him to see. That dove a little bit, so